give us so much extra space in our room to do activities.
So it's a pretty big day here at the old donut garage because we're finally to the point where we're gonna make ourselves a nice. We're finally to the point where we're gonna make ourselves a nice permanent home here at 621 Golden. Because as many of you may know, we've kind of been in a makeshift office for the last 5 years. So now, while we make our permanent home and do some renovations, kind of got to clear out. So we've got to clear out of the office here to make way for the renovations and all of the construction and destruction that'll inevitably happen. In the meantime, we've had to move guys all over the place. Such as, I don't know if you remember the Twitch room, but that is now the room where every single editor is going to be editing. So yeah, there'll be about 10 guys in here, all together, enjoying themselves.
Nope.
They get windows now.
Yeah.
This is just going to be a... This is just going to be a temporary spot while we finally get... So this is just all going to be kind of temporary while we finally get our shit together and get an actual office here at Hoonigan. So, you might see some construction, you might hear some weird banging noises in episodes. Is what it is.